Alright, well, it looks like the morning glories and stuff are doing good. Picked up some mulch this morning. Got a chance to cut the arugula and eat it, and now we're going to light dust with mulch everywhere. Great, actually, is coming back. This is really sweet. Look at the grape leaves. Alright. Cilantro's kicking. I've been cutting this. And oh my gosh, when I cut down the alfalfa, there's actual soil. Dark, rich, full of life and material. I'm going to mulch this. Little babies are coming up. Compostables. I covered up the dead patch over there. Blueberries, beans are going nuts. They're laying over on their side.